I go live every Tuesday night. The other night was episode 133 in a row. You've got to innovate and adapt. You have to at some point. Your business has to. And I'm talking to car shippers. I'm talking to car haulers. And that's a tough audience as far as coming to adaptation and change.
Sure.
And I know it's easy to say things. It's running a truck is that's a lot of work. But the way you get customers, you've got to look ahead, adapt, and change. Especially if you're spending a bulk of your time complaining about rates or whatever's going on in the marketplace, that is a signal, a very strong signal that you need to do things a little bit differently. And this applies to dealers that for months they knew about the digital retailing solution and they said, well, it's pretty neat, I don't know. Well, for everybody now, this is the time. We've just been all handed a big change statement. This is the time you have to adapt, change, innovate, improve your business model. You really don't have a choice. And luckily, the government, in its way, has responded and said, we know this is going to be tough. We want to help out a little bit. So everyone has their hands full. All the kids are home, and you've got to get the financial help and extend your mortgage and all these things. But ultimately, I think later on we will nostalgize this time in its own way. That wow, look at all that change that happened so fast, and we set some new things in motion. And I really do believe that in a year we'll look back and go, wow, that was really hard, but wow, it kind of helped.